let's discuss about longitude. So first let me define prime meridian. This is the meridian which passes through Greenwich, and this is a place in England. Well, here this is the prime meridian, and basically this is a reference point, and longitudes are measured east or west from this reference point. So let me define longitude. Well, the longitude is a shorter arc of the equator or angle at the pole between prime meridian and the meridian through the point considered. Suppose this is a point A, this is the point considered. So this is equator, this one is equator, this is the equator, like this is the center. So we are saying this is the longitude of a place A is the shorter arc of the equator. So the shorter arc of the equator is this from prime meridian. Well, it could be this arc also, but we are not interested in that. So definition says that it is the shorter arc of the equator or angle at the pole, and this is the north pole here. So if this place is here in the northern hemisphere, we'll take north pole, angle at the pole between prime meridian, and this one is the prime meridian which I have already defined, and the meridian through the point considered. So we are having two meridians here. Well, longitudes are measured east or west. They are measured 0 to 180 degree east or 0 to 180 degree west, and this prime meridian is a 0 degree longitude. Now let me define difference in longitudes. Suppose this is place A and this is place B. So what is going to be difference in longitude? Well, difference in longitude is the shorter arc of the equator or angle at the pole contained between the two meridians. So here this is one meridian here, and another meridian is this one. So the angle between them at the pole or arc at the equator, and this is going to be same shorter arc. So this is called difference in longitude. Well, we can explain that in a very simple term like this. Suppose this is the center of the earth and this is the equator. So this is a 0 degree longitude, and all these longitudes are measured like this, 90 and up to 180 degree. So this way they are measured easterly. Similarly, we'll have like this, all these longitudes are measured, and this way they are measured in west direction. Well, 0 degree longitude is called prime meridian, and this is called 180 degrees called anti-meridian or international date line, IDL. So if there is a place A here, say place A, and which is having 040 degree west, this is 0 degree, so here is 040 degree, and there is a place B which is having 060 degree west. We should also note that the longitude are expressed in 3 degree or 3 figure notation. For example, 040 degree. So difference in longitude from A to B is 040 minus 060, that is 020, 20 degree, and the direction will be west because we are moving from east to west in this direction. Here let's do some more examples. Again, let me mark the center here, and this is 0° prime meridian. Say here my longitude is 100° east. So this can be marked like this, and this is place A, and I'm going to place B. Say the place B is here. The longitude of place B is 040° east. So this is place B. So what is the arc of equator? And this is the shorter arc of the equator. Well, it could be this arc also. So we are interested in shorter arc of the equator. So the Dlong between A and B will be 140. Now the difference is 60°, and I will say towards west, because we are moving towards west. So this is east and this is west, so we are moving towards west, so we will have Dlong as a 60° west. Let's take one more example to make it more clear. Now let us understand this example. So this is 0°, and these are measured 0 to 180° this way. This is east and this one is west. So suppose this is a place A, and the longitude is now from place A is say 120°, and this is measured as east. So this is the longitude of place A. And now there is a place B. The longitude of this place B is say 160°, and that is west. So what is my Dlong? Well, this is measured like this. So what is my Dlong? Dlong from place A to place B. So one method to find out is this. From A to B, let's find what is the total arc. So from A to B, Dlong is 120 plus 160, that is 280°, and the direction is west. We are going from A to B, and the direction is west in this direction. Well, as per the definition, that is the shorter arc, and this is the shorter arc. The total is 360°, so this angle will be 360° minus 280°. So the value is 0, and this is 8. Now this is 80°, and since this was west and I subtracted, now the direction will be east in this direction. So the Dlong between A and B will be 80° east.